guys, welcome. Today let's learn and explore an interesting topic, motion. What is motion? Movement of any object or a body from one position to another position with respect to the observer is called as motion. Let's see some of the example. Pushing a cart is an example of linear motion. Opening a door, rotating stone with attached thread is an example of circular motion. We can see all these in our daily lives. Let us see about distance and a displacement. Distance traveled is the total path length covered by the object, whereas displacement is the change in position, that is, difference between final position and initial position is called as displacement. Let us see an example. Suppose a person needs to travel from a point A to his final destination, point C. He can travel in two ways. First, he can travel from A to B, then to C, or he can directly travel from A to C. The total distance covered from A, B, C here is called as distance, whereas shortest distance A to C is the displacement. Let us learn the difference between distance and a displacement. As a definition, you might have seen distance is the total distance covered by a body, whereas displacement is the shortest distance. Distance between the two given points depends upon the path chosen, whereas displacement between the 2 points is measured by the straight path between the points. Distance is always positive, whereas displacement may be positive or negative or even zero. Distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity. Uniform motion. When a body covers equal distance in an equal interval of time in a straight line is known as uniform motion. Example, a car moving at 30 km per hour in a straight line. Non-uniform motion. When a body covers unequal distance in an equal interval of time in a straight line is called non-uniform motion. For example, a person jogging in a park. We can see some of the difference here in a uniform motion and non-uniform motion. A body is traveling equal distance in equal interval of time, whereas a body traveling unequal distance in equal intervals of time. For a uniform motion, distance remains constant. For a non-uniform motion, distance varies with respect to time. You can see the graph over here for distance upon time. It is constant for uniform motion and it is varying for non-uniform motion. It may increase or decrease. Let us see the speed and velocity. What is speed? The distance traveled by the object in an unit time is called speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. To specify the speed of an object, we require only its magnitude. The formula for the speed is given by distance upon time. Let us see an example. A cycler is cycling in 10 meters for 2 seconds. That is equals to 5 meters per second is the speed of his. Average speed. The average speed of an object is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by the total time taken. If an object travels a distance s in time t, then its speed v will be equals to s upon t. Velocity. Velocity is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction. The velocity of an object can be uniform or variable. It can be changed by changing the object's speed, direction, or both. Average velocity. Average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity for a given period of time. That is, average velocity is equal to initial plus final velocity divided by 2. That is, u plus v divided by 2. Difference between speed and velocity. Speed of the body is the distance traveled by it per unit time, whereas velocity of the body is the distance traveled by it per unit time in a given direction. Speed is the scalar quantity, velocity is the vector quantity. speed cannot be 0 and velocity can be equals to 0. Interesting fact: walking sideways burns 78% more calories than walking forward. Lateral motion takes extra effort by putting your body to work in an unfamiliar ways. Acceleration: the change in velocity of an object per unit time is called acceleration. SI unit is meter per second square. Acceleration can be given by change in velocity upon time taken, that is A is equal to V minus U upon T. Equation of motion: V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, 2AS is equal to V square minus U square are known as equation of motion, where V is the final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, and S is the displacement or distance. Interesting fact: we all know that Earth is revolving around the Sun and the average orbital speed of Earth is about 30 km per hour. Isn't it wonderful? Question of the day: which is the most commonly used unit to measure speed of the car? Let us know your answer by commenting. Hope you have learnt about motion, distance and displacement, uniform and non-uniform motion, speed, velocity and acceleration, and equations of motion, and enjoyed the basic concepts of motion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe GAN Galaxies for more videos. Thank you.